Another fine day. Good cool shower of rain. Had another shower there earlier in the day. Put some good water back in the ground. Good to see everything nice and green. Oh, that's a pretty sound thundering back across the mountain. Thank God for the good rain. It brings everything back to life. Old Tommy's up there enjoying picking in the good cool rain, getting him a bath. Everything's soaking it up now. Corn's coming on. Potatoes are starting to bloom. See if it'll pick it up. Can't hardly tell on the camera real good. They're starting to bloom down there along the outside edges. Yeah, right there you might see that pretty good. A little bloom on that potato plant there. Horses are out enjoying their little bath too. Nothing like a good old shower of rain thunderstorm in the summertime. Sitting on the porch drinking coffee and getting to enjoy it. Another great day.